Hey YouTube, I'm here with the Mpow Bluetooth receiver and transmitter. We're going to unbox it and see what the device came with. Alright, that's it, and it's got the transmitter option, which can support up to 2 wireless headsets or any type of Bluetooth devices. That's the main reason I bought it. I'll be able to, for my kids, be able to plug it into the TV, and they'll be able to watch, whatever on TV silently, so we won't be able to hear them. But yeah, it's very small. It's supposed to have pretty long range on it, and yeah. And then it came with, let's see, RCA cables, it looks like. Let's see, yeah, that's RCA to aux, so if you want to plug it in your TV. And then came with the aux cable. And this does have a battery in it, so you don't have to actually, you can charge it and then just run on the battery. And there's your micro USB for the charging. So that's it, just the directions, and that's all there is to it. I appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments.